Okay, I'll be doing many more videos on how to repair appliances. So subscribe. Hit the like button if you like the videos. And comment good or bad. Also, if I use a part to repair the appliances, I'll put a link in the description so you can buy from this channel. Let's get started. How to test a thermal fuse. To test a thermal fuse, you're going to need a instrument that can test for continuity, and that means you'll need a multimeter. A multimeter will tell you if a thermal fuse is functioning or not. Okay, you're going to turn the dial to continuity, which will be right there, the plus and the little sound logo. So dial it to the right. Oh, went too far. Bring it over a little, one more click. Okay, now that'll tell you if your thermal fuse is good or not once you place the probes onto the tabs of the thermal fuse. So with the probes, touch both tabs with the probes and you should hear a beep. If it does beep, that tells you it's a functional thermal fuse and it is good. If it doesn't beep, then the thermal fuse should be replaced. Many more how-to step-by-step videos on how to repair appliances. So hit the like button, comment, good or bad, subscribe to the station so you can see these videos. And if I am using a part to repair the appliance, a link will be in the description so you can buy from this channel. Have a good one.